All right, Daddy Jack's Cobra Blues here. Burger 30. Every hour's Burger 30, but this has to be about 3:30, 3:15. But B, that was one of them 3 a.m. deals. B, how'd you come up with this?
Yeah, it was kind of a 3 a.m. deal. Just popped into my head.
We've been talking about doing a burger for a while, and then B was making this unbelievable focaccia sandwiches. Meatball, sausage, what else you do? Any cold cut? You put any cold cuts?
Sausage. I haven't done cold cut one yet. I did a buffalo chicken and regular meatball.
Yeah, pesto chicken you did?
Pesto chicken.
So anyways, well, tell us what's on this burger now we did.
So the burger's going to be on our focaccia bread. It's going to have cheddar cheese, sliced peppered bacon that I made, and then a tomato relish that Justin made that is phenomenal. And then served with lettuce and a side salad.
Oh yeah, but anyway, so we got this side here, we're incorporating this side of the kitchen too, B.
Yep.
So we gotta give us some props.
Sorry. Jack's gonna sear it off and I'm gonna finish it.
So a little bit of hot olive oil, just to brown it. Or just brown it off,
just brown it both sides. Kind of almost like finish it blue.
Alright.
And I'll finish it.
Yep. Got a sizzle platter.
Okay.
We'll brown it off real good. Pittsburgh black and blue, they call that.
Yep.
Seared on the outside, rare, totally rare on the inside. And here we have the bacon. We got some real nice smoked bacon from Mina Foods. And she put some nice blackened seasoning. She used our blackened. Who gave us this? It was Carl Bodie.
Yes.
And B, we seasoned it up, blackened it up. All right. Really nice. Not a lot of fat in this Angus, black Angus. Pretty lean, right?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna brown it up real good on both sides. We'll be right back. Always flip it away from you. Oh, look at that. I like a pan-seared burger or a griddle burger. Almost better than a char broiler or wood grill is a nice burger. But I love even a pan-seared burger. You want both sides, Pete?
Yes, sir.
All right. That's still blood rare in the center. You got that platter ready?
Right there.
There we go. Yeah. All right.
Thank you, sir.
Are you gonna pop it in first?
Yeah, pop it in for a little bit.
Yeah.
When I flip it over, I'll put the cheese, the bacon, put it back in for a little bit.
I can't wait. I didn't eat lunch yet.
Okay. All right, so now the burger's almost to the temp that I want. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the cheese and the bacon on the top. The bacon just to kind of reheat a little. She'll be out in a second, just long enough to melt. All right. And here we have finished results. Put it right on there. I'm going to give it a dollop of this tomato relish right on the top. Yeah, we'll give it a little more. This is really good. I hit it with the lettuce. And there we have it.
Woo!
Burger on a focaccia bread.
You almost said ciabatta?
I almost did, yes.
All right. Hey, Tim, want to taste out one of our burgers here? Come on. You can cut it.
Yeah.
You gonna be on a video, man. You don't mind?
I don't know.
Not on a witness protection program or anything? Hey, what's going on? Hey, we're gonna need some wood next week, right?
Yeah,
Dude,
we
you
need
can't. You work too hard for that wood just to trade us out. You gotta get paid for that.
It worked out good for me, I thought.
Huh? I don't know. We got more credit on that one last time.
Can I get a side plate, Jack?
Yeah. Gladly.
You're just going to do the burgers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's got cheddar, pepper bacon, and a tomato relish.
Woo! Justin, you want a little bit of this? Wow.
That was good.
Awesome, B.
Delicious.
Yes, sir. Tim, what's the name of your company? Give you a little shout out.
Murphy Lawn Care?
Murphy Lawn Care. You do what, all kinds of mowings and
Home improvements.
home improvements? Like what kind?
Anything.
Yeah? Construction like? Where are you based out of?
Waterford.
Waterford? Yeah, and you know, got a wood business, you cut trees and everything too? Hard working man. Thank you so much. Great doing business with you.
Delicious. Thank you.
That cooked up like nice and medium, right?
Yeah.
Huh?
Nice and medium, yep.
Quick in that oven.
Yeah, it doesn't take long.
My mother said don't talk with my mouth open, man. I can't help it. Well, that's what, 650 in the oven?
Yeah. I'm gonna right at 10.
I was a little worried about, you know, the burger's a pretty thick burger that is going to cook all the way through. Came out perfect. Let's order up another couple dozen. All right, Daddy Jack's cool with the blues here, B. Man, oh man, I don't know where that wellspring of creativity comes from, but I need some of it. I used to have a little bit more of it as I get older. Great, B. Thank you.
Thank you, thank
Tim,
you.
thank you so much.
Great burger, thank you.
All right,
Thank you.
take care of yourself.